Johnny Prime here with Frantic TV. I got another episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you today. I'm checking out a brand new diner that slings one of the best burgers in town. I got a lot of ground to cover, so buckle up. Here we go. Alright, so brand new diner slash burger joint called Hamburger America, opened up and operated by the famous George Motz. George Motz is a hamburger expert. He's been on TV. He's got books out. He's done some food film work. It's pretty impressive. His resume is pretty stellar. I'm going to meet the cake dealer at his restaurant. It's over on Houston Street, right near like Sullivan. So I'm just gonna cut across Houston and gun it the whole way. And this should be a delicious burger. I'm really looking forward to it. It's the Oklahoma style burger, which is a smashed patty into a pile of thinly sliced onions. The story goes back to the Great Depression on how these burgers were conceived. The story goes something like this: onions are cheap, beef is expensive, so they took half the meat out of the burger and replaced it with onions, smashed the onions into the patty with the burger together to kind of make them unify as one patty, and then serve that up to people, and they're either none the wiser or they don't care because they're still getting their meat and they're getting some really tasty onions in the process. The Oklahoma Smash Burger, a piece of American history, and I'm going to taste supposedly one of the best renditions of it in the country, if not in the world. As I said, I'm meeting the cake dealer there. She's probably already there. The place is small. There's just like maybe 10 seats around the diner countertop. You get front row seats to all the cooking, all the delicious smells that will probably soak my clothing with burger grease. Trying a little bit of a different mountain setup here today with my cameras. So far, I'm digging it. We'll see what you guys think. Let us know in the comments. Guy on the Super 73 gonna cut right in front of me and then go slow. Really windy today. Gonna be putting these microphones to the test. All right, not far. A couple more streets. All right, it's up here on the left. I'm just gonna cut across here. Pull on up. Here we go. All right. I will see you on the inside. Beautiful. Key lime pie. All right, let's dig in. So delicious. All right, so Motz's Hamburger America Oklahoma smash patty, absolutely delicious. Really loved it. We did a double. I really like the simplicity of it. It's just mustard, onions, beef, a little bit of butter. It's perfect. It's a perfect burger. I've had other smash burgers in the past that have a little bit more of a crisp on the patty, but I didn't really care because the flavor was so good. This is the kind of thing that I could eat every day and be content. Fries really good and crisp, perfectly seasoned, nicely fried. We also did a slice of key lime pie. I don't know where they're getting it from or if they're making it in-house. I doubt that. They're probably getting it from somewhere, but they're great. It's a great slice of pie. Perfect thing to have up on the counter at an old school American diner. Washed it all down with a chocolate egg cream. Really nice. I highly recommend this place. Give it a shot. And you know, we did it. Hamburger America, a bite of American nostalgia. The historic Oklahoma smash burger, around the hood in 8 minutes, only on Frantic TV.
Trapped.